Street photography for me, it's a lot about fiction. It's about creating your own story out of everyday facts. It's not about subject matter, it's about how you saw it and how you felt it. The personality of the photographer makes an image unique. Many people who start in street photography, they're a bit afraid of how to approach people. I think your attitude is essential. You have to be respectful and you have to be confident and relaxed about what you're doing. And I think that's one of the secrets of street photography. You really have to enjoy being on the streets. Just get up and get your camera and walk out the door. Watch people just walking down to the metro station and the colors and all this motion. The world can be an endless playground as long as I have my camera on me.